Welcome to our lesson on the lowest common denominator, or as it is quite frequently referred to as the LCD. Now, the LCD, this term here, is quite similar to the term LCM, which we have looked at in previous lessons. And as we have stated, that LCM is used to refer to whole numbers. Now, LCD, the lowest common denominator, is referred to when we're dealing with fractions. Okay, so let's say I had a third and I have a half, and let's put another fraction, 2/5. Okay, now if we're asked to find the lowest common denominator, it is that denominator is the smallest denominator that all of these denominators, and by the denominators I mean 3, 2, and 5, can go into clearly without leaving a remainder. Okay, so we could list the multiples of the denominators. So the first one is 3. So let me state it here, 3, and multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, and is as if I'm counting by 3 now, guys, when I'm finding multiples of a number. So I have 12, 15, and I would have 18, then I would have 21, then 24, 27, and 30, and we could add another 2, 33, and 36. And if you notice, when finding the multiples of a number, we are always, it's as if we're going up by that amount. Now we could find the LCD for the multiples of 2. Let me change my color just to make it a bit more appealing. We would have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, and we could stop there. Okay, now the next one is 5. Okay, the next denominator that we're focusing on, and if you notice, we're just looking at the denominators because I'm dealing with the lowest common denominator. Now multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, and we can stop there. And remember, multiples would continue because they're infinite. They go on and on and on. Now really what I'm looking for is the smallest number out of all of these multiples. I'm looking for the smallest number that all numbers can go into without leaving a remainder. Okay, so let's do a check quickly. I see a 3 here, but a 3 isn't here, so we can't use a 3. A 6 is here. 6 is also here, but it is not here, but it's not there, so I can't use the 6. I have a 9. I don't have one here, so I can't use that. 12, 12. Yes, we have a 12 here and here, but none is here. I'm going up. 15. There is no 15 here, but there is one here. So I can't use 15 because any number that I'm using must appear in all 3 listings. Now I have an 18 here and an 18 here, but none is in this listing. I have a 21, none is down here. I have a 24. I have 1 here, but I don't have any in the 5 listings. I have a 27. I don't have any in the 2 listings. I have a 30. I have a 30 here also, and I have a 30 here. So obviously, the number that I'm looking for is 30. Okay, so the lowest common denominator would be 30 because 30 appears in all 3 listings. Okay, and it's the lowest number. Alright, so 30 would be our LCD. So I can then state that 30 is my LCD. That's it. Therefore, 30 is my LCD, and it's that easy, guys. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Bye bye.